Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T21 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this NOKIA tablet. First of all, you need to locate Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now choose Alarm section at the bottom corner of it if it's not already on. Then tap on this plus icon to create your alarm. Finally, set up an hour. And when you're ready, click on OK. Now pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. Then you can click on Add Label at the top. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Click on Done and tap on this bell icon. Now you can select one of those sources, sounds or YouTube music. If you wish to use YouTube music, click on it and log in to your account. If you want to set up sounds though, you need to tap on them. Click on Add New under your sounds to pick music from your device, or just tap on one of those melodies, like NOKIA Alarm Clock. Lastly, you can add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine thanks to this little icon, and then it was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete it, tap on this icon above the switcher, scroll down, choose Delete under Google Assistant routine, and now it's deleted. You can always adjust more alarm settings by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, clicking on Settings, and managing all of them however you wish to, like alarm volume or snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!